we are going to show you how to use a token. Originally, if you are using the quotas in the US or any other countries, and for example, you want to accept $2 to trigger it. So for $2, you have to insert total 8 coins. This process might be a little bit slow, so you can just sell tokens to your customer or your tenants. Okay, let's set up the tokens as an example. Because this one I already set it up to the first channel, so I'm going to set it up to the second channel. Okay, this is the second channel. I'm take this as an example of the token. Okay, so the machine has already learned this token. I'm going to set it to be the value to be $2. This means $2. Okay, and we'll skip the rest of the channel settings. Okay, I'm going to unplug the power, and power it on again. Okay, let's check. So now you already set up the token. So if we just insert one token, then it triggers and it works. That's much quicker. And if you need to purchase the token, you can go to our website as below. Okay, thank you.